Stepping line by line or adding tons of temporary logs just to see when a value changes is exhausting and sometimes can be error-prone. Watchpoints are a smarter way to target the question, when did this change? This is particularly valuable when a class property is modified unexpectedly deeper in your call path and you don't know who is doing it. Let's look at this example. Our customer starts with an age of 34. I've also added 2 new methods to the app to make it more complex. One is the method update billing, and the other method is check subscription. What's interesting about this method is that accidentally it introduces a hard-to-find bug that keeps modifying our customer age. Let's run and hit our break line. In the variables pane, expand the customer object. Now, right-click the age property and select Watch from the menu. Observe the tracking icon appearing next to the age property and resume. Look at that. The debugger instantly paused on the exact line inside our check subscription helper where the modification occurred. The Watchpoints pane automatically popped up, giving us immediate visibility, showing our previous value of 34 and our new value of 50. You can even add custom conditions like equal to or greater than thresholds by right-clicking the watchpoint and choosing Edit Watchpoint Expression. Just note that computed properties, arrays, and structures aren't supported for watchpoints yet, and if an object goes out of scope, the watchpoint becomes invalid. It is an incredibly powerful tool that lets the debugger do the hunting for you.